Hi, I'm Jim from BATS Research and Training, and welcome to a sneak peek at the BAT License Training. This is the fourth video, and we've just done the fifth session in the BAT License Training for this year. We started off with legislation, licensing and planning, followed by considerations for BAT surveys. And then we have two sessions on ecological considerations for BAT surveys. And in this one, we moved on to talk about some very practical parts of the BAT license training. So preliminary ecological appraisal, so PEAs, as well as preliminary roost assessments, so PRAs of buildings. Now, you might be thinking, how is this taught online? These are very practical skills. And of course, yes, we can cover some of the theory, but how do we deliver these practical skills online? And so I'm very pleased to kind of introduce some of the new technology I'm using this year to try and convey and teach these skills. So I've been developing some of these virtual tours. So this is one I created as part of a desk study exercise and a PEA exercise where trainees have to gather some basic information about the site. And as you can see, a kind of a walkover survey or virtual walkover survey is created. And I gave them the link so they can kind of navigate their way around. And you'll see the kind of, as I'm illustrating here, that kind of finding their way around this site, looking at the various habitats that are there, kind of looking around at the buildings as well, but making it much more interactive and as close to possible as actually being there without being there, of course. We then kind of moved on and moved into the PRA section. So as you can see here, same technology, but this time focusing on buildings. And combined with the 360 photos that allow you to navigate your way around the site, it's interspersed with some still photos of different aspects of the building. So you can go around and click on them and have a closer look at those features. And this is all about preparing people for preliminary roost assessments. So they kind of know what they're to do. They're kind of primed and ready. By the time we get to the field sessions, which commence in May, they're kind of primed and ready as much as they can be from this online training. The final thing we covered during the session was report writing. And this is really kind of a signposting exercise, I guess, where I kind of just refer people to best practice guidance and ask them as a kind of test run to write up a methodology for a building inspection. But that was a very, very short sneak peek at the BAT license training program for this month. I will be putting out a new one next month when we cover trees. So perhaps look forward to seeing you then.